Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can move images on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this image of a ball here, and I'm also going to just mask it. You don't have to, but I'm just going to do that real quick because I want to make the image move. So okay, that is awful. Wow, okay. So here I'm going to select the keyframe, which is here in position and size. So I can basically add a keyframe here, and then on the next keyframe I can zoom it in. Here I can move it to the right side, to the left side. Here I can make it zoom out again, and then I can move it to the right, and then I can move it to the left and rotate it a couple of times, and it will rotate by itself. And then here again I can move it down here and rotate it a few times. And yeah, that is pretty much how you can move stuff, images in CapCut PC. I think I added rotation to everything, that's why there's this, and it's super fast because I added a lot of rotations. If you want the rotations to be slower, just make sure your keyframe is further apart so that it doesn't look really weird. I'm just trying to do that real quick. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!